So this is the passage that takes us to the American Corner. It's a historic old center of Akko, and it has a nice little tourist and other market lined up on the right side.
A coordinator's room, this is administrative room, and that's an activity room. So we use the American Corner and the activity room for activities, and outside we use the courtyard. And in the summer we have a shade. So it's up on the second floor we have 13 rooms that we can still use them because we still need to get a budget to work on it.
English teaching you do?
Yeah, so the programs that we do are divided, like the American Corner has its own programs, and yet it slides to do programs also with the American Corner. We do all the English teaching, we do for an elementary school kids, they come and learn English, and our emphasis on spoken English rather than grammar, because this is what they lack. They go to school, they see the letters, they know that an apple is an apple, but they never use it. And especially they hear apple or apple, and they don't hear it as an apple. And when they come here, they get to know, like, hear an American English.
And who speaks to them?
I get to, last year we had an elf who was trained who helped in programs, and every year I get English teachers who have American accents. Not all of them I get to have them natives because most of them they volunteer in the center.
So this is coming into the center. We've got a little book collection here. Forum magazine, games. We have a very nice space here, plenty of room. The door. This is the floor, glass floor, showing the archaeological remains of the Crusader period. Okay, so this is the exit from the American Center, and this is the old British prison, and this is the Mameluke gate that leads into the court.